What's up, guys? Is the Rad Man, and welcome to my first part of my first computer build log. As you can see, I have a bunch of really nice parts here, so might as well just start over on the left and then head to the right. Okay, let's get started. First, I have my Hyper 212 Evo, which I got at a pretty good deal of like 25 bucks, and it's normally like 30 bucks. Next, I have my Corsair AX850. And in the future, you'll tell that's overkill, but I did that so I can have plenty of upgrade room, and it's fully modular, which I love. I just picked up a couple of these random fans right here. They're Kingwin CF012 LB fans. I just picked them up because they were like the cheapest ones I found, and they were like $5 each for extra airflow in this case. Next, I have my 3770K CPU. I got this because I'm doing a lot of video editing for YouTube. And I'm still doing some light gaming, so I have a MSI Twin Force 3 GeForce GTX 680. And I have the oh so awesome Phantom 410 mid-tower chassis. Next, I have a Windows 7 Professional Edition. I'm not getting Windows 8 because I don't really need all the touchscreen features, and it's going to have a bunch of flaws, unlike Windows 7 where it's like perfect right now. Next up, I just have a anti-stack wristband for the safety and a bag of zip ties because I'll need them. Next, for all that storage, I have a 2 terabyte Seagate 7200 RPM with 64 megabit of cache. And then next, I have a Samsung 830 SSD. Let's see, 28 gigabyte. It doesn't say 830, but I got this instead of the 840 because with the controller or something like that, it's the 840 regular edition. Oh, it is cut down by its life expectancy several times for some reason, so I decided to go with this. And the 840 Pro, it's about $50 more, and really in SSDs, you don't really need that much more in speed because at this point you don't even notice a difference. Next is some Corsair XMS3 16GB, 2 8GB DIMMs, 1600 MHz RAM. I chose this because really it's just the cheapest stuff I found. I was gonna get the Vengeance low profile, but it was like 15 bucks more, so like on an Intel system, you don't really see any benefit in having faster RAM, unless you go from like 1066 to 1600 maybe, but that's it. And finally, with a strap on it for some reason, my Asus P8Z77-V LE Plus motherboard. Now, I'm going to do a few unboxings, such as the power supply, the graphics card, the case, and the motherboard, so I will see you in a few.